Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your college student email ID. Before you begin, gather your official college acceptance letter. It usually contains your unique student identification number. This number is essential for accessing your online student portal and setting up your new email account. Having these details ready makes the setup process much smoother and quicker for everyone involved. Once you have your student ID number, head over to your college's official website. You will need to find the specific link for current or admitted students, which is often called the Student Portal or My Account area. This secure online hub is where you will manage everything from course registration to your brand new university email. Take a moment to locate this crucial section. After successfully logging into your student portal, navigate to the section dedicated to email or account setup. You will typically be prompted to enter your student identification number again, along with a temporary password provided in your admission materials. Follow the clear, step-by-step instructions presented on the screen to finalize the activation of your official college email. This process usually takes only a few minutes to complete. Your web browser is another common source of advertisements, especially pop-ups. Open your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to its settings menu. Within these settings, look for Site Settings or Privacy and Security. Ensure that pop-up blocker is enabled and activate Do Not Track requests for an improved browsing experience. For even more robust protection, consider installing a reputable ad blocking extension directly into your browser, which can block nearly 100% of common ads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.